Welcome to Leka Eto Speak YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Lovers all over the world, welcome to our YouTube channel. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé update lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan náà ni a máa ń fún yín. So update eléyìí tí a tún mú wá nípa àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n yin ìbọn pa ọmọ kan ní ìlú Ìbàdàn. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀, oríṣiríṣi information láti gbọ́. So a fẹ́ fún yín ní update nípa àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn deliberate lé lórí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ní ìlú Ìbàdàn. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé tí nǹkan bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́yẹn ní Nàìjíríà, especially Africa, àwọn èèyàn máa parapọ̀, wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí, wọ́n máa deliberate, wọ́n máa discuss. So opinion tó lúkálùkù, ìwòye, perspective tó lúkálùkù rí nípa nǹkan yìí, so gbogbo wọn ni gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. So ìyẹn ni a ní ká mú wá fún yín lórí ìkànnì YouTube channel wa. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn wí, and then opinion tẹ̀yin náà ní under comment section. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tí ẹ feel, ìwòye ti yín, ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló yẹ kó rí. Àwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ wípé fọ́ọ̀tì bàbá ọmọ yẹn ni, àwọn kan náà dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ wípé fọ́ọ̀tì ọlọ́pàá yẹn ni, wípé kò sí bó ṣe lè wù kó rí, pé ọlọ́pàá ò gbọdọ̀ dédé máa yìnbọn anyhow, pé àwọn create wọn láti protect life and property citizen ni. So gbogbo àwọn kan yìí ni wọ́n discuss nínú fídíò yìí. So ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ bá wa wò.
Chasing the guy. Why are you chasing the guy? Why? So it is quite unfortunate. I sympathize with the family. I sympathize with the father, and then the father himself does not portray an example of a good father, because I see no reason why you have to take a one way in Ibadan when you know that there is law enforcement agency against one way. I drive in Ibadan very well. The last time I was in Ibadan, I discovered that all those people, they are junction by junction, and I do caution myself whenever the traffic light blink, I never dare to bypass them. You understand? As a good citizen, we must abide by the law irrespective of our position. We must abide by every law laid down, especially the traffic law. Every law that is being implemented is for the betterment of we citizen, because especially the traffic law, we in this part of the country, we just take it nonchalantly that ṣebí kàtẹ ti fóná ni, bí náà ti tan rẹ́dì lọ, ṣebí kàtẹ ti fóní. You don't know the vehicle that is coming by the side. By the time you think you want to outsmart the traffic light, the guy that is coming, that the light has already pointed green by his own side, might collide with you, and anything can happen from that incident. So we should understand that we have to be patient. Sùúrù ìṣẹ́jú márùn-ún gbà míì ó ju ẹ̀mí tí a fẹ́ fi wéwu ó jù lọ. 5 minute patient. Ìgbà míì gan kò tiẹ̀ ní tó 5 minute patient, but ó ti wà nínú gene Nigerian citizen. We are always in hurry. We are always in hurry to get things done. We don't want to be patient. We don't want to apply our number 6. We don't want to abide by the rule. Everybody want to break the law. Everybody want to break the rule. Everybody want to get there as soon as possible. Wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ máa ń sọ pé wọ́n ní asúré tètè kò kọjá lé, arìnà gbẹ̀dẹ̀ kò ní sùn sẹ́gbàá ọ̀nà. So why are we in haste that we just want to get everything at the same time? So it is quite unfortunate that we don't obey the traffic law in this country. Tẹ́ bá máa rọ́lọ́kadà náà, iná máa ti tan green, ó máa ti tan green, akànnì kó sáré zoom off. kó sáré zoom off, ó fẹ́ outsmart the traffic lights, ó fẹ́ outsmart at all costs. So it is quite unfortunate. I pity the mother of this innocent soul that was cut short. But I can tell you categorically that this guy needed to be fight for. We need to fight for this guy, honestly, because the shenanigans of a Nigerian police has cut the life of a young, promising student off untimely. It is quite unfortunate, honestly, that that guy, was just a victim of circumstances. Because I have never seen what could trigger shooting at that particular point in time. And most of the times, Nigerian police need to be checkmating all these people psychologically. You will see you will see a policeman drunk and still holding gun. What for? You will see them, stumbling inside gutter, misbehaving, talk anyhow, arrogancy. They are not there. I can say 60% of Nigerian police are unprofessional. Guy, honestly, it's so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, Mr. Prince Labi. Oak Pro Brothers Investments. You're welcome, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening,
Yeah, well done. What happened day before yesterday is so pathetic. But when I heard about the interview, the BBC interviewed the father of the boy, I see the man. I don't want to use the word I want to use. He acts in a rascal way, honestly. First of all, when you heard the interview, he said that he was arrested by the hotman maybe a day before it happens, and they took him to their office. He paid the money they said I should pay. The following day again, you went to pass one way again, and your children are in the car. Now, because of the money you will pay again, you started driving roughly. The police too are there. I know what the police did is very wrong, but me, I'm not talking about the police, because I know a lot of people have really said bad things about them. But I'm concerned about that man. In fact, I will say it is that man that killed his son, honestly. Because a simple waiting, if you wait, just 10 minutes of waiting can solve this problem. We they say you should go and pay 100,000. We they say you should go and pay 50,000. I've been caught once, and when I reached there, I begged. They did not. I gave them their money. I left peacefully. Look at that precious boy that died. The more I'm seeing the picture of this boy right now, I'm shedding tears. You will know that the guy died a painful death just because of his father's error. In fact, it was this night I now realized that it is the father that caused everything when I heard the interview. So it's good a parent should show a good example to the children. And when you look at the history of that man, he said the mother left them, which means they don't have a good rapport in the family. And look at the extent, to the extent of even affecting the son. So we parents, please, we should try to guide the way we do things. That's the way that's what I just want to say. It's really painful. It's really painful.
Mọ́mí Flaky, ẹ kú àtàárọ̀ mọ́.
Everybody.
Adéṣẹwà 363 ẹ̀rọ ọmọ ẹ bá wa dá
Ẹ
sọ̀rọ̀
ṣe
yìí wọn.
gan. Àmì o. Kò kí ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn náà ló lè ṣe nǹkan tí màá yẹn sọ ń sìn. Àkọ́kọ́ náà téèyàn bá ní kéèyàn rò ọdún náà èèyàn kankan mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó wà lọ́kàn máa yẹn bóyá ó ń sáré kọ́mọ yẹn mọ́ fi léètì school ni àmọ́ and táwọn pípọ̀ yẹn tán bá fi lè dá wọn dúró báyìí wọ́n máa dáyàn dó ni wọn ò tiẹ̀ ní kè bóyá ọmọ kankan wà nínú mọ́tò bọ̀ kò yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe yẹn lóòótọ́ náà fọ́ọ̀tì wà lára bàbá ọmọ yẹn náà but ọlọ́pàá tó yin ọmọ yẹn níbọn náà nǹkan tó ṣe bad láì ṣe pé wọ́n jalè.
Adéṣẹwà wà pẹ̀lú ìmọ̀. Okay.
wọ́n ní tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ náà nìyẹn o.
Okay. Ẹ ṣe mọ̀.
Lovers ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá ṣe ń da ọkọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì wa tí ẹ ti subscribe ẹ jọ̀ọ́ à ń rọ̀ yín ẹ bá wa subscribe and then ẹ bá wa like ẹ bá wa share àwọn fídíò sí wa so ẹ ṣé gan ni I really appreciate support yín so we love you all, thanks for watching.